Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and welcome to my Learn to Crochet series. Today I'm going to share with you 2 ways to hold a crochet hook. Let's go. One of the very first things you need to do, but don't need to commit to, so stay flexible with this, is decide how you're going to hold your crochet hook. The first thing I want to say about this is that holding your crochet hook is purely a matter of personal preference. I'm going to show you 2 ways to hold your crochet hook, but if you choose a totally different method or you've been holding it differently your whole life, that does not matter. How you hold your crochet hook does not necessarily affect the shape of your stitches or anything, so do whatever feels best to you. The 2 main ways to hold your crochet hook are called knife hold and pencil hold, and they are exactly as they sound. For the knife hold, you're going to hold it just like you would hold your butter knife as you butter your bread. You're going to wrap your hand around. A lot of times people will extend their pointer finger to stabilize their hook and even sometimes grab a loop of yarn, and that is the knife hold. For the pencil hold, you're going to hold it just like you were taught to hold your pencil at school. It will rest on your middle finger across the back of your hand, and then you will pinch or hold your hook between your thumb and pointer finger and work with it just like you were holding a pencil. Again, I just want to say, totally personal preference. If you find that one way is clunky or you're having a hard time with it, switch it up, try the other way, watch some videos of crocheters working, and see if there's even a totally different way that might work best for you. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications. And then be sure to check out the rest of my Learn to Crochet playlist. There are lots of tutorials and tips there to help you work through all the beginning stages of learning to crochet. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. Thank you so much for joining me, and happy crafting!